a matter of great opportunity for me to interact and talk to the media persons of Chennai. By 6 o'clock, the campaigning for third phase of election will be over, and for Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and for Kerala, the first phase and the last phase of the campaign will be over by 6 o'clock. I have been campaigning in all the 4 states and Puducherry also. The environment which I see, I can say that the NDA, the Bharatiya Janata Party, along with its alliance partners, are making a clear way of victory. If I talk about Tamil Nadu, under the leadership of AIDMK, along with Bharatiya Janata Party, PMK and TMC, we are having a clear lead in Tamil Nadu, and in the leadership of AIDMK, we are forming the government here in Tamil Nadu. The same way, the signals in the 2 phases of West Bengal has clearly shown that Bharatiya Janata Party is heading towards victory. तमिलनाडु में हम AIDMK के साथ उसके नेतृत्व में बीजेपी, पीएमके और टीएमसी सफलता की ओर आगे बढ़ रही है, और ये 3rd फेज और यहाँ का 1st फेज की समाप्ति के बाद जो चुनाव होगा 1st एंड लास्ट फेज में, उसमें तमिलनाडु में हम सरकार बनाने वाले हैं। और उसी तरीके से वेस्ट बंगाल में जो 2 फेजेस का चुनाव हुआ है, उन दोनों फेजेस के चुनाव में जो आंकलन बना है, वह स्पष्ट रूप से भारतीय जनता पार्टी को सफलता दिलाने की ओर बढ़ रहे हैं। इन असम वी आर retaining the government of NDA along with UPPL and AGP, and in Puducherry also we are making a clear way of formation of the government, the NDA, and in Kerala we will come up, we will do good, and we will be a formidable force there in Kerala to influence the polity of Kerala in coming times. If I talk about West Bengal, people have totally rejected. मैं बंगाल की बात करूं तो वहां के लोगों ने स्पष्ट रूप में ममता जी के टोलाबाजी, तुष्टीकरण, करप्शन, तानाशाही, क्रिमिनलाइजेशन ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, इन सब को नकारने का तय किया है, और इससे तंग आकर वह भारतीय जनता पार्टी को एक तरफा सपोर्ट दे रहे हैं, और वो बड़ा स्पष्ट हमको देखने को मिलता है। जहां तक असम का सवाल है, वहां विकास, शांति, बोडो एग्रीमेंट, समृद्धि और संस्कृति की रक्षा, इसमें एनडीए की गवर्नमेंट, बीजेपी की गवर्नमेंट ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है। इन असम, द पीस अकॉर्ड and bringing peace in Assam, development in Assam, and also protecting the culture and language of Assam, and protecting the people, and sealing the borders is a very important issue in Assam, which has been supported by the people of Assam. And in the 2 phases, we find that we are going to have a comfortable majority. And the 3rd phase is also going in the same way. 3rd and the last phase is also going to go in the same way. If I talk about Puducherry, people are fed up. Were fed up of the corruption of Narayan Swamy government. No activity took place, no development took place. And now the NDA, Rangaswamy ji, NR Congress, BJP are going very strong. I was there in the afternoon, and I can say that clear-cut, comfortably we are forming the government there also. In Kerala, we are coming as a force because LDF and UDF both have given misgovernance. But yes, there are some tactical understandings which they keep on doing it. So we can only say that we'll be forced to be reckoned with, and people have started supporting Bharatiya Janata Party, so we'll do good in Kerala also. When I talk about Tamil Nadu, people are very clear here that the support given by Prime Minister Modi to Tamil Nadu, the mainstreaming of Tamil Nadu as far as development is concerned, the support systems has been liked by the people of Tamil Nadu. And I also appreciate that AIDMK government has been successfully implementing the programs and policies which have been supported by the central government. May it be Swachhta Abhiyan, may it be Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, may it be Jal Jeevan Mission, may it be Saubhagya Yojana, may it be Ayushman Bharat. In all these programs, it has been supported by the state government, and so the development has taken a pace. We all know that in Tamil Nadu, our very stalwart leader, M.G. Ramchandran ji, gave a new impetus by pro-poor policies and programs in Tamil Nadu, which was replicated elsewhere in coming times. The same way, Amma Jayalalitha ji consolidated the programs and policies, pro-poor policies, which are going forward. And many of the programs have been replicated at the All India level also. So, we are confident that here also, Bharatiya Janata Party, under the leadership of AIDMK, with PMK and TMC, will form the government, and people are very much enthused to support the NDA government here. That is what I would like to share with you. So friends, by 6 o'clock, the third phase of campaign will be over, and for Tamil Nadu, the first and the last phase will be over. I am confident that Bharatiya Janata Party will be forming government in West Bengal, retaining Assam, forming government in Tamil Nadu, means retaining NDA government, and will also see to it that Puducherry we form government. And in Kerala we will do good. That is what I would like to share with you. The atmosphere here which I see in the campaign, I can say that the issues raised by Bharatiya Janata Party, the issues raised by NDA has been well appreciated by the people in Tamil Nadu also, in West Bengal also, in all the election going states. So this is what I would like to share. I am confident. I wanted to share this with you after the ending of the third phase of campaign.
Thanks for watching Nationalist Hub. మీ అమూల్యమైన సలహాలను కామెంట్స్ రూపంలో తెలుపుతూ వీడియోను లైక్ చేయండి, 10 మందికి షేర్ చేయండి. జై హింద్.